In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your QuickBooks license number, full 2026 guide. If you're reinstalling QuickBooks, verifying your account, or speaking with support, you'll often be asked for your license number. Think of it as the unique identifier that proves your software is properly registered. Start by heading to the top right corner of your QuickBooks window. Look for the small gear icon, sometimes called the settings or cog icon, typically beside your profile and help options. Give that gear icon a click. If you're on a smaller screen or a resized window, the header can compress a bit. Make sure your window isn't zoomed in too far or minimized, as the icon can be less obvious in a compact layout. When the menu opens, select Additional Info. Depending on your display and language settings, the wording may vary slightly, but it will read as Additional Info. Click that, and you'll be taken to a page or panel that shows the product details tied to your account. Right there, you'll see your license number. Take a moment to copy it carefully. If writing it down, double-check each character, especially zeros and the letter O, which can look similar. If copying digitally, paste it into a secure note or password manager. Avoid sharing it in unsecured emails, chats, or screenshots. That's all there is to it. Click the gear icon at the top right, select Additional Info, and your license number will be visible. Consider labeling where you store the number with the product year or plan name so it's easy to identify later. You now know exactly where to find your QuickBooks license number quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a QuickBooks tip.